All right, good day. My name is Rachel. I'm the managing director of Retech Digital Consulting. So, a lot of people reach out to me telling me that is my client precisely. Okay, so reach out to me saying that they want to be accessing their email via Gmail, then also other third party email. So, but today I'm going to be using, I will talk about Gmail alone. So, how you can access your webmail via Gmail in your PC, and also how you can access your webmail via Gmail app in your Android phone. Okay. I'll be using Android phone. I'm not going to be using a iOS. Okay. So, please um let's go straight to the point. Okay, so I've already opened my Gmail account, right? And this is my email. This is my company email Gmail account. All right, so you come over to where you have settings, right? And you click on see all settings, right? So when you click on this place here, then you hover to where you have account and import. All right, please, let's go back again so that we'll get it. Maybe I'm fast, a little bit fast. So click on, this is your inbox. All right, so when you open your Gmail, this is your inbox. Okay, then you hover to, at the top right side, you will see this icon, this setting icon. So you click on it. All right, now when you click on it, you will see all settings. All right, so you just click on it. You see my mouse here, click on it. Then you come to this environment here. You have general labels, inbox, account and import, filter, and blocked addresses, forwarding, and prepare. So the rest. So the one you select is account and import. All right. So you click on this place here. Okay. Now next, you go back to where you have um send mail as. Okay, you can see it here, see my mouse here, send mail as. Now as you can see, I have my info at retechsolutions.com here, and I also have another one here, Rachel at retechsolutions.com. Okay, now if you look at this other side where my mouse is, you can see that this is verified. This info at retechsolutions.com is verified. Reason because I can easily, you can see it at my left hand side. You can see info here. All right, you see my mouse here is there. Now I've verified this email via my Gmail account, all right? But this Rachel at retechsolutions.com has not been verified. You can see that they wrote unverified. All right. So now we want to add another email. So I'm going to be using that one to explain to you. Okay. So you click on, you will see add another email address. Okay. So just come here and click on it. So you have this pop up. Now this name here is what you use. This name here you are seeing here is something like okay, I'm gonna explain that. Okay, it's just as something here like retail solution. You can see it here. All right, so you can put any name you wish to put. Okay, so let me just say, I can just say customer care. All right, so now which email am I going to use now? So I'm going to put this email, help at solutions.com. All right, now treat as an alliance. Okay, just leave it the way it is. Don't click anything. The next thing is just click next. All right, so I click next. Now this place is very, very vital, because this place, if you don't configure it well, you might have a problem. It might not work. Okay, so now your SMTP server, So I'm going to be showing you bit by bit, so don't be scared. All right. Now, for every client I work with, they have access to their cPanel, and inside their cPanel, we also have their email account. Okay, no, except the one I don't have access to the web hosting or to the domain. If I don't have access to it, I won't. I won't be able to get. You won't. That is, if I don't have access to your web hosting, to your domain and um, web hosting, I won't know your SMTP server. Okay, all right. So now let me show you where this SMTP server are explained. So when you log into your cPanel, when you log into your cPanel, and let me open my cPanel for you. This is my cPanel. Let me go back. I actually logged into my cPanel so that I can just go straight to the point. Okay, when you log into your cPanel, you see email account. All right, you see email account. Now inside this email account, just click on it. So when you click on it, then you see all the email, you see all your emails, right? Now it's very confidential. Please, for the purpose of this video, I'm showing you my own, but I'm not going to show you my password. So I'm just showing you my emails. All right. So now take let me use this one for example, because this is the one I'm trying to add to my Gmail, help at solutions.com. So now if you want to know your SMTP server, okay, you want to come to this place, you see connect devices, just click on it. All right, when you click on it, you will see the information there. Now this is the information we're going to use. This information, username, which is help, all right, password, the password of that email address. Now, incoming server. So this is the SMTP server, SMTP that we are using now. If you are using IMAP, the port is 995. Okay, is 993. That is for incoming. Outgoing, we have port 465. Okay, so now we'll be able to send out what you are trying to do now. We'll send out, we'll also receive, right? Right. Now this is what we are going to do now. So you copy this very one, this mail dot retailsolutions.com. So your own domain now. So just copy it and go back to this place here. All right, so I'll put it here. Okay, now username is the email address. Don't forget, username is the email address. So this is my email address. Like I told you, it's help at retail solution. I'm adding, so I have to put that email address. That is the username. Then my password, please make sure it's correct oh. Then my password, I know my password, so I'll put the password of this email address. So I've added it. Then the port, now the port is what, 465. Okay, so I'll go back there and choose this port now to 465. All right, so secure connection using SSL recommended, which is the one we added. Secure SSL using this. Now, please do not choose this second one, not recommended. This is the one that is recommended. All right. So now next is to add accounts. All right. So let me just click on it. Add accounts. If it works, fine. All right. Now that's just it. That's finished. The next thing is telling me confirm verification and add your email address. Now, congratulations, we successfully located your other server and verify your credentials. Just one more step. Okay. So now they have sent a mail to that help at retailsolutions.com. So I should verify it. So now let me show you. Okay, so the next thing is just to close this. We are done here. So come over to this place. You can see it has been added. You can see, where is it? We have another one. See this customer care, this help at retail solution. So it's showing me I should verify. Okay. Now I can come back to this email address now. This help. So let me open my email account. Let me open to my email account help, right? So I will check my email. Sorry, it's opening. Okay, see. Okay, so I'll just click open. All right, look at it here. I'll just click open. So I just need to confirm. You can see that. All right, so here. Okay, so this is it. So you have requested to add this to your Gmail account. Before you do that, so verify. So I just have to click here. That's all. So it said please confirm. So I click on this to confirm. That's all, success. So you can go back and check if it is verified. Okay. So here verify customer care. Okay. It says success. So so now, all right, is it okay? Yeah. So success, it has been verified. You see? All right. So that's just it. Now you can see. Okay. So this is it. I've already added it and it's there already. So when you want to send a mail, or you receive a mail, you can easily see. You can easily use that. You can get it from here. All right. So let me just do something real quick. Um, where is it? Okay, so here, let me do something real quick. Okay, so the next one we're going to talk about is having the email over here. All right, so you're gonna so that it will be easier for you to um access the email. First thing, we've added the email, yeah? We've added the email to Gmail. Then the next thing is how we can access it here. All right, you can see where my cursor is here. I only have info at retake here. All right, so I'm gonna be adding that one to it as well. So how do you add it? Now you can see the first one we did was send mail as. So if you want to send a mail now, you can click here, compose. All right. Now here you can see that I have from info.retech@gmail.com. You see this arrow here, you just click on it. You also see um you also see help at retechsolution.com and also see info at retech. So if I want to send, for example, if I want to use this help now, I can do it because I just added it, right? Then if I want to use this one to send, I can also do this. All right, so I'll put the person's image here, I'll put the subject, and I will write. So if I want to upload anything, you can see that here. You can upload and you put the body of your email. So I'm going to talk about this too, how you can add this signature as well. Okay, so let's go. Let me delete this one first. Okay, so now what we are doing right now is check mail from other accounts. Okay, so now what you need to do is just click here, add a mail account. All right, so we are adding this help at rejectsolutions.com. All right, so you click next. All right, then you see it's telling you that what it's telling you can either import mail from this to your Gmail inbox or link the account using whatever. Okay, so just import email from other using POP. Okay, so just click here. All right, so we put this username is always your email. Okay, solutions.com. All right, now password. I know my password, so I'm gonna put my password. Then the POP server, that's that normal server, mail dot your URL.com. Depend that is SMTP is depending on the hosting company that is hosting your website. Please. So even if I am having mail.retailsolutions.com as my SMTP server, is different from another hosting company. Another hosting company might use something different. Okay, so please don't think it's or everything is the same. It's not the same, please. Now the port right now is going to be something different. POP server. So let's go. Now my email. So I'll go to let me see here. I know it, but I just have to for record purpose. I have to tell you what you need to use. Okay, so now incoming now, you see incoming now. We did outgoing already, which is 465. Incoming POP3. You're using POP3 now, so 995. Okay, so let's go. So we can use 993 if it's IMAP you're using or 995. So let's use 995. Okay, so bam. All right, that's it. Now it said leave a copy of retrieve message on the server. This one says it means if you have a copy, you can have a copy in your Gmail. That is this Gmail that you're adding, and you also have a copy in your webmail. All right, so you choose the one you want to do. But me, I always like to put it like this. So always use a secure connection SSL when retrieving mails. All right, it's very important. SSL, no, yeah. Now labeling incoming messages help. All right, yeah, that is it. Okay, help. All right, I'm going to show you. This labeling means what is going to appear here, this place here. Right. So let's go. Now archive incoming messages. Keep the inbox. I don't normally click on that. So let's add account. So if it's successful, then we are good to go. If it's not successful, then something is wrong. So what we need to do is just click here and check if it is successful or not. Let's go. Bam. So I click on it. Okay, bam. Now it has vanished too. All right, so the thing has gone because it was um is successful. So now you can see it at the left hand side here. You can see the help. So here, let me click on it. Okay, now you can see all the emails. When I open my inbox, I have these three emails here. And here I also have the emails here. So you see how easy it is. Okay, so you will not be finding it so difficult to maybe you are trying to log into your webmail because of MTN wahala, because of Airtel problem and the rest. When you can easily open your Gmail, you access your webmail account. So okay, so you don't have to be just forget about the webmail for now. All right, just focus on your Gmail. Everything is here. So that's it. So the next one I'm going to be showing you right now is let's go. Next one I'm going to be showing you now is how to add the signature. Okay, so just go back to your setting again, see all settings, then you scroll down to where you have okay, let me see. Okay, here. Now you will see signature here. So instead of going through the process of coming to your email, to your webmail, and come to settings and try to do this identity here. create identity. So all this process, putting at the end, you now add the signature here. All these ones, you can do it from here as well. So under the signature, so you click on create new. All right. So signature name. Okay. Go. Okay. So signature name. So let me just say customer care. All right. So I create. So now I can edit it. Okay. So now if you want to edit, I can edit it if the name does not suit you. All right. Now at this other side, so you put your, like the way you are saying this very one, and like this retake here. Okay. All right. So just click here and put, so in the default of which email. So just put your logo, put your, I can just say retail customer. For example, this customer care. For example, this is the name of my company. I put my phone number, put my company phone number. Okay. Then put every other thing. If I want to put email address, okay. So I can put the email address. All right. If you have multiple emails of your company, you can add it here. Then put the company, 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 URL. So you put it here. So you put it here. .com. Then you put the logo, right? So once you're done, it will show you signature default. Where you're putting the signature now, where is this one? This one you're doing, where is it linking to? I'm linking it to this help that I added. So if you have anyone email that you're linking it to, so that's where you put it. So you click on it. Then for new email use, for new email for new email use, you put the name, all right. Then replying also, you can also put the name, right. So that's it. Inside signature before quoted text in reply and remove the whatever. So you can click on it, all right. So that's all. Okay, so let me just do that and save. Okay, save changes. Okay, so that's it. All right. Once saved. So let's take for instance now I want to send a message using this help. Okay, this is the help, right? So if I click it, fine. If I don't click it, I'll just come to compose. So when I say compose, I choose this help. You can see what I added. The signature is there already. So I'll put the email and the rest, then click on send. So after doing all of this, I can decide to just click on send, and that's it. Okay, so you see send here. So once I'm done sending to someone the subject, I click on send. So that's all about adding your email to your Gmail, that's your webmail to your Gmail account. So if you need any assistance, you can call me or send a message to me. I will also send on how to add it via your Android, your app, Gmail app. But this is for PC. Right. Thank you very much and do have a great day. Bye.